Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Halor ke Jingjia ha Umïam ha kapor bawan ka kertong Presiden jong kaseng BJP ha kabala keno ba UMLA ke BJP ba sanbor sulai ula Dkhot ha kapor ba Presiden ke UDP ba met paling do udang keren ya ka Draupadi Murmu u sembut menteri rang ba ka jela ba Prestun Tensong ula ong ba dan lang ha ketu sengi Henry udan cha Delhi bat umla ban kan tho AA Henry pen pau ka jingsngau balada de u ne de yanu ru kam judai ban penthot ha kapor ba kiwe kitang keren kwa ban tukular than yang ni ka kam namar ba ka de ka kam jang ka BJP bat ula ong ru ba de satiau Dkhot ka BJP bat ka syong ha ka BJP ban Pynbeit ya ni ka kam
also physically present. I really don't know because that day I went to Delhi. Of course I just saw in the newspaper, I just saw in the social media. See, in fact, as parliamentary minister in charge, it has nothing to do with that particular meeting because that is not inside the house, it is outside the house. So that is purely the meeting for election. So it's totally outside the house. So there is no comment. Being a minister of parliamentary affairs, I can't comment anything on that. See, that's what I'm saying. I really don't know much because I don't know when I speak. In fact, I personally feel decorum has to be there always. When I speak, I think my colleague MLA should not interrupt. When he speak or they speak also, I'm supposed not to interrupt. Be it inside the house or be it outside the house. That is my opinion. I have to say is let them sort out in the BJP committee because I'm not a member of the BJP. I can't say anything. But my suggestion to all of them is please sort it out in your appropriate appropriate platform, and the platform is BJP Executive Committee or whatever they call it.